Saudi, are you on 10 yet? Pussy need smoking, you know Papa's and nice. Papa's ain't got to 10 knees.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Pelt. I'm back with another legendary video. Hold on, get the light. My son right here about to get his new exhaust today. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all this. Yes, sir. We gotta even get the jacket. Well, we was supposed to be putting the exhaust on, but look. Come here. What's up, buddy? It say 1320 on it, Cam. You see that? 1320. All right, this bro exhaust right here. That must say 1320 on the Y pipe. Yes, sir. ISR. For all y'all do not know, the ISR sounds way better than the damn Tomei. All right, and brother got some new wheels too. He think he out here doing something. So, what we about to do is about to get this mother jacked up on jack stands. Try to get this exhaust off. Look, man, we got the car on the stands. Look, man, he gotta be jacking his car up. And it ain't even my car. I'm not even getting the exhaust system. See what's wrong with you? You can't do nothing with black folks, man.
Sound like you mad, bro.
I am mad, pretty mad, goddamn. I'm dirty as hell. Look at you. Got your tattoo all out and shit. Come over there and hold this damn camera.
Hey, hold on, because I ain't never take my pistol.
All the nuts and bolts and all the hangers and stuff real quick. And then we'll be good to take it off and unscrew them and whatnot. But you see my boy did get a muffler delete. That's why I do sound too good, but we're about to go with that single exit. Stay tuned, baby. After 4 long hours of fighting with this boat.
4. Started at 1:30.
We finally get this mud done.
7:30.
You know what I'm saying? We ain't got the bolts off. We had to get a breaker bar. We made 6 trips to O'Reilly's. 6 trips to O'Reilly's.
He got tired of us coming back.
He got tired of us coming back. He told us to buy a breaker bar, which we should have got the first time. And you know, here we are. Time to make some noise. We're gonna put the ISR on here in a minute. Cam, how you feeling, brother?
Exhausted. Really, I don't even care about that damn thing no more.
He said he wanted to cut the bolts, boy. That boy was ready to cut the bolts, no cap. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get this knocked out, take this off. We still gotta slide down towards the back to take the
Gotta get the mid part of it too.
We gotta get the hangers off. So stay tuned.
Alright. Just untouched the front part of the Y pipe. Now about to take the back hangers off. Show them what you got.
We gotta take care of these little, what are they? 12mm bolts right here. These 3 little ones right here to get these hangers off. Do that on both sides. And once we get that down, you can just pull the whole exhaust system back towards you. And then you're ready to make some noise. Hey, I don't know if y'all can see that. We disconnected the Y pipe. We gotta go to the store and get another 12mm. But I told him just to start it the hell up to see how it stands. Start it up.
Here we go.
I know that shit about to be loud as hell. Let me back up. What the fuck? Hey. Cut that motherfucker off. Cut that off. What? What is that, bro? What? That bitch like an alarm. Bro, what? You gotta be kidding me. We got it off. I broke my socket, so I gotta go back and get it. Damn work. These motherfuckers better sound good. Had this thing Ryan over here come rescue a goddamn. Yep. Now. Alright, y'all. We got the exhaust fully installed. My boy Cam got that goddamn ISR on that bitch. Ryan said he ready to go home, y'all, so let me crank it up.
Hell,
You gotta hear it.
I'll hear it on the video.
Alright. We gotta put this damn K-member on real quick and then we be ready to go. I said K-member. But don't do that, I got it on video, hurry up. Let go. That shit gonna be loud as fuck. Don't rev it, fool. Hell yeah, I'm about to do cam startup phone. Hold it, bro. All right. You ready? I know you ain't feeling it. It ain't as loud as you both to delete. But I'm gonna tell you. This got some ground to it.
Give me some. Hit it.
Yeah, nah, I can't do that.
One more. That's it. We about to get some road footage.
About to take this bitch down the block.
Yes, sir.
Hey, look, boy.
You ain't even show 'em, bro.
Hey, that's for another video. That's for another video, goddamn.
Ah, sneak peek.
Hold up.
Sneak peek. Y'all can't see the red. Y'all can't
Don't
see
even worry
the
about
red.
it. Hey, you already know what the fuck going on Halloween time.
Let me
Gang,
see.
gang,
Hold
gang.
on, hold on. Ooh.
These motherfuckers dance. Don't even worry about it. All right, y'all. We got this man. Exhaust done all up.
If your exhaust get hot like hell, it's melting your car, dude. I know.
That shit hot as a bitch. You might have to hurry up and go back to the crib. No cap. They been putting out smoke though. Sound good. Get in there, get it rev it a couple times, get some exhaust clip. We out here in the country, ain't nobody gonna bother us.
Come over there. I would just go ahead and do a flyby.
You can do that after. We gotta get some exhaust clip. All you need now is a burp tune, boy. Once you get that burp tune, that mug gonna be fire. Oh yeah, and he got the new wheels on there. I forgot about that. Go ahead, follow my boy, RKM_Cam Pelt. Yes, sir. All right, fly by. Let's go. Fly by. Huh? Don't go that way. Go up and turn around, come back. I'll be right here. It's more throatier than the muffler delete. It ain't as loud as the muffler delete, but it's a little bit more throatier. Oh, here's a sneak peek, you know what I'm saying, of the blood splatter. Yes, sir. Fly by. Y'all already know this. Left. This fool ain't make a left. He missed the parking lot. No, he didn't. He made it. Back out in the road. Yes, sir. Y'all can't see him. It's hella dark out here, but hopefully, if he do what he's supposed to be doing, he should come up here this motherfucker move. This mug, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too crazy, just for a little Halloween thing. Got the blood splatter on it, plastic dip. Y'all know the deal. Anyway, up in Pelt. About time we done got back together, goddamn. Y'all already know what's going on. I'll catch y'all on the way back to the crib. That boy don't know how to act. Oh my God. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He about to make that turnaround. Yes, sir. You already know it's about to happen. That's it. Yup. That's it. One more time. That must sound good, bro. No cap. Read that thing. Oh, it's got a little bit more pops to it. No cap.
up, bro.
What?
Feel that thing cool now.
I know you can. You want me to rate that motherfucker?
When we racing?
I ain't racing you. I told you I ain't racing.
Huh?
My shit broke. Look, I hit somebody. This thing broke.
Yeah, it's trying to get you cleared though.
It broke.
Let that motherfucker cool down.
He said, what? I meant to tell you to do like a 3,000 RPM downshift or some shit, but
You couldn't hit a pulse.
oh, I heard it. I definitely heard
Ain't
it.
nothing come out.
Huh?
Ain't nothing come out.
Nah, I ain't see no flame.
Cause I can't tell.
I ain't see no
All I hear
flame.
is poof.
I ain't hear no flame. I heard the pop, but I ain't see no flame. You gotta get them test spikes.
Yeah,
Once you get the test spikes, you be able to do it. That motherfucker hot. It's still smoking too, no cap. It's got an ISR in there. Yeah, the new exhaust smell is new exhaust is gonna smoke, but you got a little bit of plastic on there too, so it's gonna smoke even more. The crib got both of the woods parked up. We got the stock exhaust right here with the muffler delete. This is for sale. If any of y'all want it, DM me on Instagram or DM him on Instagram at RKM_pelt for me and RK_cam_pelt for him. If y'all want this exhaust, we ain't shipping this mud though. If you in South Carolina, hit us up. You know what I'm saying? We can work something out. But other than that, we better put this thing up.